going on?
What up, Adam?
No, that's ridiculous. His neighbors are gonna hate him.
I'm trying to sell a house.
What's up, everybody? I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. And in the last video, I talked about some of these birthday parades that were happening for kids. Well, a buddy of mine and a guy with a really nice lean Mustang. It's his son's birthday today, so a lot of us are gonna meet up. We're gonna do a birthday parade for him. So, Luca, this is for you. There's a long line of cars lined up here. Everything's from Mustangs. Got a Roush in front of me, an old Chevy behind me, 442 up there. It's nice, the diversity of the cars, and like I said, it's all for this one kid, so it's kind of cool. This is unbelievable how many cars are here. There are cars in front there, two lanes to the right of me. I'm in a lane, and then there's a lane up here on the left, if you could see it. I don't think you can see it, but there's cars everywhere. I cannot believe how many cars are here. It's awesome. And for people that really can't do anything, I mean, everybody's kind of maintaining social distance. Oh, you might be starting up. Let's get ready to go. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
So I have to tell you, that was a lot of fun. Saw a lot of really cool cars, a lot of fast cars too. And it's always nice to get out for whatever reason during this whole, you know, basically staying at home. So getting out, having some laughs, seeing some good people, it was awesome. So I don't know, Mikey, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had some good laughs, and I hope your son did as well. I'm sure he did, because we had a blast. And thanks everybody. Stay safe out there, and I will see you on the next one.